Stop presenting your sales report with boring numbers. Your boss doesn't want to read rows of percentages. Let's build a visual progress bar. To see who is hitting the target, we will use the SPARKLINE function. Don't try to type this manually. I put the formula in the description. Copy and paste it, clipboard icon, select your percentage cell and paste the code. Hit Enter. Double-click to fill down. Now look at this. You can instantly see that James is crushing his goal, and Sarah needs to push harder. It is dynamic and professional. But wait, the default color is boring. Let's make it green for success. Go back to the formula, add a semicolon, quote color, quote, comma, quote green, quote. Enter. Now fill it down again. You can use red, blue, or any hex code. Now your report looks truly professional. Go copy the formula and subscribe.